In front of me is Vivo S1 Prime, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store, then click on the More icon and select My Apps and Games. And let me refresh it. Here you can check all apps that are currently ready to update, and you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon. Now just this one application will be updated. Just let me re-enter it, wakey. Don't know why it's not reacting. Okay, so there is some issue with Google Chrome, but as you can see, for example, I chose Facebook and it is working properly. You can observe the progress right here. Meanwhile, you can also use your device in a normal way. It will not affect the downloading and installing anyhow. Then you can open it and check the progress. You can also update all apps at once if you want to. To do it, just click on Update All, and then all of them will be installed. Later on, you will be able to find them under Recently Updated at the bottom of the list. So this is it. This is how you can update apps on your Vivo S1 Prime. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.